So how can you make a PPT or PPTX using Keynote on the iPad? Let's get started. So if you are brand new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, the whole point is that we have a Keynote presentation that we want to work with, but how do we turn it into that format, right? The way that it works is that you have to be inside of this regular Keynote view, and you need to locate the share button, which is somewhere at the top, more like in the top right corner. So click on the share like that, and then click on the export and send button. So this is what it looks like. Tap on it like this, and this will basically let you pick a format for your Keynote presentation, because we are exporting it from the Keynote app, but we need to decide in which format it's going to be stored. So if we want to make it in the PPTX, just choose PowerPoint like that. You can see that it will give you some details or whatever, and you can see that it is now ready to be saved or shared with other applications, right? So I can import it directly into the PowerPoint app, or just click on the save to files, right? Decide wherever I'm gonna put it, and you can then check it out inside of the files application. So you'll be able to see that that presentation is gonna be in that particular format, right? So it's not in the Keynote format, it's not the PDF, but as you can see, it is titled PPTX. So that's how you can turn your regular notes, the keynotes, into this format. So let me know in the comments below if you made it work on your device. In case of any questions, leave them below as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.